Welcome to Silkytreat Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe with 3 elements, done in 20 minutes start to finish. Pasta mushroom shrimps. Ingredients: pasta, shrimps, mushrooms, butter, salt, pepper, optional fresh or dry parsley. Preparation: slice the washed mushrooms, cook the mushrooms for 4 minutes in butter, salt, pepper, cook the fresh shrimps for 1 minute in boiling salted water, and cook the pasta to your liking and type of pasta. In a pan on low heat, add and combine all the cooked elements, optional add fresh or dried parsley. Ready to serve this delicious meal. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.